Okay, so we're going to change the film on our L4D print tray. Have our new film kit here, new screws. So what you want to do is remove the big screws. Going to remove the old film. You can recycle the steel plate. You want to install it with the triangle up. You can see with the divot. Just gently seat it. You have to press the screws in through the plastic. There'll be some resistance. Okay, now one of the key things you want to do here is start each screw till you get the initial tension, but don't tighten them all the way down. The goal is to kind of tighten them all down evenly as you go around. So you tighten them a little bit, and then each time you go around the circle, you tighten a little bit more. You'll know when the screws are fully tight. They will come to a complete stop. Then inspect your screen. If you have any dust on it or any smudges, each replacement kit comes with some cleaning rags. And you can keep the rest to clean your screens with after you have to change resins in the future. There you go. The screen is replaced.